Hey up, how are we all doing today? I'm on a little Insta360 go. A very easy job today. We've got a air filter change for a Fiat Ducato, and it'll probably be the same on the Citroën Relay and the Peugeot Boxster. I don't know what the audio is coming like, but anyway, this is the filter. It's a Bosch filter, but they all look the same nearly. Anyway, let's get the air cap off. Don't know if you can see it, but there's 4 positive screws, one there, one here and one here. So we'll quickly take these off and let's have a look at the filter. Quite easy reach to get to. Anybody can do this job, so this will save you a little bit, but there's other things like the fuel filter, maybe if you're confident enough to do what's in the corner, and I think there's 3 different kinds of fuel filters, so you have to know which one's right for you. This one's in the corner, a little bit hard to get. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's a little bit dark down here. That's why you're probably better with a longer reach posi drive. Just a little bit more on this one. And that's it. Take the top off, angle it, comes out. Easy. Here's the old one. So it is reasonably mucky. It's not desperate, but it is. See, very easy to do. Got the new one. They're both the same, top and bottom. Let's have a look. Oh, we've got a bit of paper here, what's been sucked in. Nothing else, just a very little bit at the bottom. If there's any more muck or anything down there, it's better just to get the hoover in and clean it out. Let's have a look at the top. That's beautiful. So like that slots in through the hole like so. So you're getting a nice seal. Same in with the bottom, and then this pushes down and makes a seal from the outer from the inner. So you just put that back in, screw it all up, and then job's a good one. Easy to do, better miles per gallon if you're if it's all blocked up. So I'll do that screw up after anyway, but yeah, thanks for watching. Very easy to do. Just them 4 screws, take off, put in and change it. You can buy these off anywhere, to be fair. Amazon, eBay, your local parts dealer. They're very ready to get. So what for, I'm going to do an aircon refill. I'm going to have to do 1 or 2 other things to show you, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.